In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Evernote to make your note-taking experience smarter and more efficient. Evernote is a powerful tool that many of us rely on for organizing thoughts, ideas, and tasks. By integrating AI into this process, you can streamline your workflow and enhance the quality of your notes with just a few simple actions. To begin, start by selecting the text you wish to modify. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else. By highlighting the specific portion of your note you want to improve or alter, you're enabling the AI to provide the most relevant and precise assistance. Once you've highlighted the text, direct your attention to the editing toolbar in your Evernote interface. Here, you'll notice a button marked with a sparkling icon, often referred to as the AI button. A simple click on this button will open up a world of possibilities for improving and enhancing your content. When you click the AI button, a primary menu will appear, offering you a range of actions to choose from. Each option is designed with a specific purpose to aid in your note-taking endeavors. Let's explore what each action can do for you. If you're looking to condense lengthy content, choose the Summarize option. This will distill your text to its core message, making it easier to digest while keeping the essential information intact. It's perfect for when you want to capture the essence of a document or meeting notes. If rewording for clarity or style is your goal, go ahead and select Paraphrase. This function will help you improve the readability or tone of your text without altering its original meaning. For tackling any spelling or grammatical errors, the Fix Typos option is your best friend. It ensures that your writing stays polished and professional, catching those little mistakes that often slip through the cracks. Should you need assistance in generating new content, opt for Help Me Write. This choice prompts the AI to create fresh text based on your input, aiding in situations where inspiration might be running low or when you need to produce more elaborate written material. If you're communicating with a multilingual audience, the Translate feature will serve you well by converting your notes into another language, broadening your communication capabilities. Lastly, the Write As option allows for adjustments in tone or style, aligning your notes with the desired sentiment or formality, which can be particularly useful in professional or creative scenarios. After selecting the action that best suits your needs, you'll be presented with a list of results in a secondary menu. Carefully review these AI-generated options and select the one most applicable to your goals. Once you've made your choice, simply copy the output and paste it back into your note. This seamless integration ensures that your final output is as refined and effective as possible. With these tools at your disposal, using AI in Evernote can significantly enhance productivity, giving your note-taking process a tech-savvy upgrade. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and creativity that AI brings to your daily routine, making your Evernote experience smarter than ever before.